We're going to solve both of these equations using elimination, which means we need like 5x and negative 5x, or 10y and negative 10y. We want opposites, but something is going to go wrong. And when it goes wrong, it's a special case. The answer is either going to be infinitely many solutions or no solution. So looking at this first example, we're in luck. 5x and negative 5x, they're already opposites. So to get going, I'm just going to draw my line and add them together. 5x minus 5x is nothing. Negative y plus y is nothing. Do you see that we were expecting only the x's to drop out or only the y's to drop out, but both dropped out? That's the signal that you have a special case. I'm going to bring down the equal sign. And then 10 minus 4 is 6. All of the letters dropped out, both the x's and the y's. But the statement that we're left with, 0 equals 6, that's not true. So since it's not true, this one is no solution. Now in this next example, one of the same things is going to be the same. In other words, both the x's and the y's are going to end up dropping out. But something a little different happens. We don't start off with opposites. I have 5x and negative 10x, negative 3y and 6y. So let's focus on the x's for a moment. And we want to get this to be negative 10x and this to be positive 10x. So if I'm going to make that one positive 10x, what am I going to multiply that by? 5 times 5 is?
Oh, yeah,
so
2.
2, good job. So we're going to multiply by 2. So what I do to the left side, I'm going to do to the right. This equation right here, I'm going to just bring straight across because I'm not going to do anything with it. So I've just brought negative 10x plus 6y equals negative 4 straight across. But when I multiply through, 2 times 5x is 10x. 2 times negative 3y is negative 6y. And 2 times 2 is 4. So by multiplying both sides by 2, we accomplished opposites. I have 10x and negative 10x. So I'm ready to draw my line and add them together. So I draw my line, I go to add them together. 10x minus 10x, the x's are gone, which is what we were trying to accomplish. But negative 6y and 6y, the y's also are eliminated, both. So I have 0. I'm going to bring down my equals. Yep, and 4 minus 4 is 0. Now how is this slightly different than this one?
Well, because the statement is true.
Yes, good job. I couldn't have said that better. The statement is true. So since the statement is true, this one is infinitely many solutions. Okay, so main idea here is you go to eliminate and not only the x's drop out, but so do the y's. So that's what tells you you have a special case. So once they drop out, if you're left with a false statement, then the answer is no solution. But if you're left with a true statement, then the answer is infinitely many solutions.